you're tired of your phone slipping or falling on bumpy roads, you're going to want to hear this. Today we're reviewing a powerful magnetic car phone mount with advanced suction and 360-degree adjustment designed to keep your device secure and easily accessible while driving. This is the Automotive MagSafe car phone holder, a magnetic phone mount that combines strong suction technology with a high-performance magnetic grip to hold your iPhone or other smartphones in place while you drive. The mount supports MagSafe-compatible devices and comes with design features aimed at long-term stability and durability. Unlike basic mounts that slip or vibrate loose, this holder's advanced suction system and reinforced magnetic grip work together to keep your phone stable through bumps, sudden stops, and daily driving conditions. The stronger mount also helps reduce distractions, an important safety consideration when you're on the road. One unique feature of this mount is its circular vent design, which improves airflow around your phone and helps prevent overheating during long navigation sessions or when you're streaming media. This can help extend battery life and maintain performance under load. To use this mount, you simply clean your desired mounting surface, attach the high-strength suction base, and place your phone on the magnetic pad. It's compatible with all MagSafe phones, and even non-MagSafe devices can be used with an included magnetic ring. This quick one-hand mount system makes it ideal for keeping your device in view for navigation or hands-free calls. This phone holder is designed to work with a wide range of iPhone models, including the latest iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 series, as well as other MagSafe-compatible phones. Whether you want to mount it on your dashboard or windshield, the flexible design gives you multiple installation options. This mount is perfect for drivers who value convenience, stability, and safety. Whether you're a daily commuter navigating city traffic, a ride-share driver relying on your phone for directions, or someone who uses your device for music and calls while driving, this holder is designed to keep your phone securely positioned without distraction. Compared to basic car mounts, this model's strong suction, reinforced magnetic hold, and adjustable design can make a meaningful difference in everyday use. The combination of nanogel suction and high-quality magnets ensures a stable hold, while the 360-degree rotation provides flexibility in viewing angles. In summary, if you want a reliable, powerful magnetic car phone mount that stays put no matter the road conditions, this Automotive MagSafe holder is a compelling choice. Check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more practical automotive accessory reviews.